It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's airplane?
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around by you a birthday gift. Two times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around by you some birthday gifts.
Did you have
It's your
fun
birthday.
today?
Happy birthday.
Hi. This is such a weird setup. But hi, this is like an hour before Carson's birthday. This is like 11:45 p.m. It's almost like 12 midnight. I want to be done blowing balloons before 12. We're not doing anything too serious, but I want to have balloons like right here so that when he comes down the staircase tomorrow morning, he sees it and he's excited. So I got a lot of balloons, tons of balloons actually, and then like confetti, some decor for like the cake topper. He likes Spider-Man, he likes Paw Patrol, so I got some of the balloons for it, some caps as well. Nothing too serious because this is not like a milestone age. We're not doing anything too fancy. It is cold outside, so maybe we'll just go out for like family and some friends lunch, and then we'll take them to like a playground where they can like really have fun and have a blast. But yeah, I want to just blow up the balloons. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm really not sure what I'm doing, but regardless, we will get through this. These are the only things I need to blow up. I'm just gonna put the balloons in one side, and usually whenever I'm doing like manual labor like this, anything that will take my time, I like to watch something in the background. So I'm gonna move over there just so I'm more comfortable and just so like it doesn't feel like work. This says happy birthday to my little prince. Look at that. I probably will look at, this would be cute if I like hand pump it and like put it to sit down somewhere. Yeah, these are a lot. This is cute. So while I'm at it, probably ordered from Red Lobster. I'm just going to have lobster and prawns. I don't think I want salmon. I need something to like dabble on. Let me try this steak. Looks good. Let me see. So I'm gonna continue doing this. So I got this party popper, right? I want to pop it for Carson tomorrow. And it came in a pack of 12. I'll leave all the links for all the decor pieces that I ordered in the description box. But it came in a box of 12. But I want to sample one. I'm not so keen on like not messing up here because I want here to be a little bit messed up in terms of like party things going on. See what this is like or what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna try it out now. Oh! Ah, did you see that? That was so cool. I'm gonna pop more tomorrow. So I need to figure out what to do to this walls that are standing. I feel like this table area will be the best. I finally figured how to work the helium and I blew up one. So, oh, this is a good backdrop. Yeah, I'm gonna use here. So that's one balloon. Okay, That one stuck. That one stuck. I have some balloons that I've blown. Let me put them on the table. I look like a mess, guys. I'm so tired. The cake that we ordered for Carson hasn't arrived yet. It's gonna arrive later in the day by like 12, between 12 and 2 p.m. So I had to improvise. I feel like I sound weird. I had to improvise and get myself like another cake that I could use to present, because he's not gonna find me funny if he doesn't have a cake. I'm just gonna use this one for initial. Hello, it's my birthday.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Hey guys, so I am done sort of setting up. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can get like an overview. I might have to move this chair. But you get the gist. This is what it looks like. I showered. I put on a wig just so I could look decent. And the birthday boy is also getting ready as well. Let me adjust the settings. Yeah, the birthday boy is getting ready as well. And we're gonna sing for him, pop some confetti and take some pictures. And then figure out what we're gonna do today. Go buy his present, go out, and yeah, say prayer. My babies are coming. They're literally crying, so. Just
Rabbi, can leave him now. Happy birthday to you. Carson, come now. What's the balloon now? Now do your thing.
happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Woo! Are you excited? Are you excited? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! You want another one? To you. Yes? Wait, turn it. Turn it. No, the other way. Yeah. Turn it.
My birthday. Can I go to come here? Can I come?
Go there? You never said no. I almost fell down, Jesus. Aya, wait, look at it again.
It's not working.
Let me give you another one. Wait, let me give you another. Again? What do you want to say?
Happy birthday, Carson.
So after the whole birthday celebration,
Sing happy birthday for your elder brother.
everywhere is a mess. I need to literally vacuum it right now. If not, it's like spreading. The confetti is getting all over the place. Look at the floor, to the rug. And I have like on the chair here, thanks to Carson. So I need to quickly sweep it so that it doesn't get everywhere.
Your small hand.
I want to quickly do my makeup so that we can be out the door. thank God I showered this morning. I have, let me give myself like 40 minutes to get ready. Yeah, actually I have 40 minutes. This is 1:18, so technically I have 40 minutes to get ready. So I'm gonna charge my batteries for my camera because I'm gonna be using my camera. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do a 20 minutes makeup and also do like a 20 minutes hair, like set up my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I want it straight or if I want it a bit curled. But yeah, I think the first thing I want to do, I think I want to air here out a little bit. Let me open up the window. Why am I having breakfast in the bathroom? I'm having hot chocolate and banana bread because I just realized I haven't had anything to eat and I'm starving, and it is currently 1:30. I'm going to do a quick 15 minutes makeup. Oh, my hands are cold. I've been wearing this, I don't know if you should call it a waist trainer or trimmer, but this year we're going to get it together and we're starting off this new year. Like this blush is too much, but we move. Hey guys, so I'm done with my makeup. I didn't get to do my hair. I just brushed it and can only pray and hope for the best. This is my fit. This is my face, by the way. Makeup's not looking bad. Where is this called? Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Put my microphone out. Hi guys. Party people. Everybody say hi. Okay, so we're at Chuck E. Cheese, apparently. This is the name right here. And you can celebrate, like, you kind of have like a party. I think they have like party sessions right here. Section right here, section right here. So it's like a, let me show you guys what's written here. So, and it's also an arcade, so we can play, you can eat, and have fun. Kayla and Carson, do you want to enter here? So we got Carson's second cake. Roar! Says happy birthday, Carson. You're 3 years old. I come alive in the arcade. Are you ready? Kayla, come inside. Kayla, come and sit down. Oh. Kayla was so smart, but she's holding herself. I'm about to race with Carson. Carson, are you ready to race? Huh? Woo! Woo! Airplane? I'm not doing a good job. 10th place. Wow. Let's try another one. Wow. I'm yours. Oh.
And that's my challenge here.
This is so great. Whoa.
Mama sees house. Hey, come on.
Happy birthday to you, Carson. Happy birthday, Mr. Carson. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip. Hooray! Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Happy birthday, Carson. Happy birthday, Carson.
Happy birthday, Carson.
That's okay. It's not serious, it's here.
Your birthday is still here. Your birthday cake. But your birthday is done. We're done. We're done with your birthday. You want to see your birthday cake? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Kayla, did you have fun? We are back home. I'm exhausted. Yeah, says no. Kids are this age. It's a battle. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
You do your thing like that. What was your favorite thing? The balloons, the playground, and what's your favorite? Ian? Balloon? Playground. Okay, so that's like in order of preference. Ian, balloon, and the playground. So Mama's balloon efforts came second. I spent the whole night doing it, baby.
Merry Christmas, Carson.
Yeah, Merry Christmas is over, but still Merry Christmas, Carson. But happy birthday to you. Huh? Happy birthday to you. My little man. Yeah, it's a new year now, and it's your birthday today. But tomorrow's not going to be your birthday. So maximize today.
Let's lie down.
Let's lie down and do what? Let's lie down and do what?
Let's lie down for
For what?
we.
Lie down for what, Sam? Tell me, what do you want to lie down for?
At my trouser.
You want to change your trouser?
No.
So speak out. What do you want to do?
Slide on the trouser.
What?
Slide on the trouser.
You want to slide on your trouser?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Have fun.